Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to install the Portainer on our Raspberry Pi 4 Raspbian OS Bullseye. So before we move to our practical, friends, if you learned something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and let's get started. So friends, I have already created a video how to install Raspbian OS Bullseye on your Raspberry Pi 4, and in that video I have also explain it how to configure the SSH, Wi-Fi and VNC server. So watch the video and install the latest Raspbian OS on your Raspberry Pi 4. So in this video we are going to configure the Portainer on our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so for that simply open the terminal and you need to run the command sudo apt update, and you need to update the repository. Then we are going to run the upgrade command sudo apt upgrade sudo apt upgrade and space -y, hit enter. It will upgrade the packages with the latest version. That's it. So I have already run these two commands, sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. That's it. So clear the screen. Now we are ready and we are going to clone the repository. I have created rpi-portainer. This repository basically installed the Portainer with the help of bash script. Okay, so simply visit the link. I will mention the link. Go to the code, then copy the link, minimize the browser, and then we are going to run the command sudo git clone and paste that link over here and just hit enter. It will clone the rpi-portainer folder. ls command, as you can see, this is what our folder. Simply now we need to go inside that folder because we need to give the full permission for our bash script. So now I am inside the folder. ls command sudo chmod 775 and mention the file name install.sh. That's it. We have successfully give the full permission. As you can see, the bash script is now green. It means we have successfully give the full permission. Now we are ready, and I'm going to first make clear screen. Now run the command like this way: install.sh. This is what the bash script install.sh, and then just hit enter. Now it will automatically install the Docker. Also it will pull the Portainer Docker container on our Raspberry Pi 4 Raspbian OS. So now just sit back and wait. The script is automatically install the Docker and the basically the Portainer container on our Raspberry Pi 4 Raspbian OS Bullseye. So just stay tuned. Okay. So friends, as you can see, we have successfully installed Docker and the Portainer on our Raspberry Pi 4 Raspbian OS. The script installation process is completed. Now we are ready and we can basically access the Portainer dashboard from our Chromium browser. For that, we have configured the Portainer on 9000 port. So simply open the Chromium browser and we need to mention here our Raspberry Pi 4 IP address. So mine IP is 192.168.0.104 and mention the port number 9000. Simply hit enter and it will open the portainer.io. As you can see, this is what our dashboard. Simply we need to configure here a basic thing, which is the username and password. So I am going to mention the username Freedom Tech Pi. This is what the username, Freedom Tech Pi. Then mention the password. So then again confirm the password. That's it. Now simply click on create user, and that's it. We have successfully create our user, and this is what our portainer.io dashboard, as you can see. Okay, so we need to simply click on the get started. That's it. As you can see. So friends, as you can see, right now we are running the one container. Okay, so simply we need to click here, just click on it, and here you will see we have the one image, one container and one volume and three networks. Okay, suppose if you want to add a new container, then you can see here we have here a containers option, and from here, as you can see, we can basically add a new container, the new Docker container. Okay, you can mention the name here, you can search for that particular image from here. So this is how you can use the Portainer.io for managing the Docker container on Raspberry Pi 4 Raspbian OS Bullseye. I hope you will learn something from this video and you also install the Portainer on your Raspberry Pi 4. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.